Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, above the Honda emblem there is the secondary hood release lever. Push it right. While it's pushed right, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. Put the rod right over there in the slot with the arrow marking it, and then let it go. That's good. Let's get started with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb. The way to access it is right from there at the back, the gray bulb holder with the black electrical connector. Just grab it and twist it left. Now you may have some trouble twisting it left. If you do, don't worry. Grab a flathead screwdriver and right there, press on that gray, the light gray part of the bulb holder. That's gonna help you twist it left. That's the trick to this whole job. Once it's loose, just get the bulb holder out of the light. There you go. And to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it for a couple seconds, but it'll come right out. Now the bulb number is right there on it, 7444NA. Check the link in description if you want to upgrade to a LED light. Get the new bulb and then just push it down and secure it in the bulb holder. And now note the position of the electrical connector. That's just going to help you realign the bulb holder back in the light so that it just drops in like this. Or else you'll be spending a few seconds twisting and turning, getting it to drop in like this. Good. Once it's in position, just twist it right, lock, and you're done. Moving on now to the driver's side, that's the bulb, and it is just as accessible. Same process, same bulb, and you can do it with the same level of ease as the passenger side. And I'm going to do it just to prove it to you that is in fact just as easy. Grab the bulb holder, twist it left, and get it out. Same bulb, 7444NA. Get the bulb holder back into the light. And this time around, as you can see, I'm struggling, and you might as well, so be patient with it. It's going to take a few seconds for you to be able to get the bulb holder aligned, and so it just drops in. Everything's looking good. Twist it right, and now let's try out these bulbs. Turn the hazard lights, the four-way flashes on, and let's see if it works. This one is working, and so is the other one, and that's pretty much it. Push on the hood, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut.